Davies, Green, Knox, and Sullivan. High wind warning in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Wind advisory in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. For the high wind warning, south winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. For the wind advisory, southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include all of central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected for the high wind warning until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. For the wind advisory, from 8 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details: a cold front will pass through tonight, after which the wind direction will become west-northwesterly. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. And now a look at your forecast for the Vincennes area.